Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to install Apollo Group TV on Fire Stick. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Go to the main screen of your Fire Stick and navigate to Settings in the top menu. Select My Fire TV or device depending on your Fire Stick version. Choose Developer Options. Turn on apps from unknown sources to allow installations from outside the Amazon App Store. Return to the main screen and search for Downloader in the search bar. Select the Downloader app from the search results and install it. Open the Downloader app. In the Downloader app, enter the URL to download the Apollo Group TV app file. Once the download is complete, the app file will be saved on your Fire Stick. The Downloader app will prompt you to install the app file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Apollo Group TV. After installation, find the Apollo Group TV app in the Apps and Channels section on the Fire Stick home screen. Open the Apollo Group TV app and log in with your Apollo Group TV account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up on their official website first. Start streaming live TV channels and on-demand content offered by Apollo Group TV. So that's basically how to install Apollo Group TV on Fire Stick. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.